Hello.
Hi.
Yay. Hi. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Bobs. Today we are going to cook stir-fried chicken, Dhaba style. Let's get started.
These are the ingredients we'll be using for today's recipe. For a full list of ingredients, please check the description box at the bottom of the video.
The first thing I did is cut the chicken and marinated it. It's about 13 ounces of chicken, which is a little bit less than a pound. I cut them into small pieces and marinated with 2 tablespoons of light soya and 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. And I kept it for about 2 hours. I used chicken breast. I'll start the cooking by putting half a cup of oil in the pan on high heat. And the oil is now hot and I'm going to put 1 medium chopped onion. Keep stirring the onion so it's cooked even all the way till the time it gets brown and you start smelling the onion when it starts burning. Now the onion is almost ready to go, and the first thing I'll put is 3 cloves of sliced garlic and mix it well with the onion. 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. Blend it nice. I can smell the garlic and ginger and onion, everything together. Smells very good. Now this is ready to take the chicken. So next we'll do, put our chicken. And I'm going to reduce the temperature to medium. I saute it for a while till the time you see the chicken is changing a little bit color and is blending well with the onion mix. You can see the chicken is changing color. I'm going to put some water in it. Blend it. This is about half a cup of water. And I'll cover it up for about 5 minutes. It's 5 minutes now and I'm going to open the lid. You can see the chicken is cooked in juices. And now we'll add our other ingredients. This is a cup of horseradish. Horseradish is chopped into medium-sized pieces. 3 scallions chopped. Red bell pepper, half a cup, chopped. 1 tablespoon of homemade hot mustard. Quarter teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon dry coriander, half a teaspoon ground cumin. Now we'll add some more water here. It's about quarter cup to blend it well. We'll let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes more, still on medium. From time to time keep stirring so that it doesn't stick at the bottom. The chicken has been cooking for about 5 minutes now, and I'll put a tablespoon full of cornstarch and I'm going to mix this with water and then put it in the mix. It's about a cup of water and I'm going to stir it and put it in the curry. This will give extra thickness to the curry. We'll leave it on medium heat and we'll check the consistency of the curry and adjust as needed. It started to stick at the bottom, so we'll add some water to the curry and bring the temperature to low. Now this will cook for about 3 or 4 minutes and it's done. Chicken is now done. The process we use to cook this curry allows the chicken to be really soft at the end. So the chicken is now ready and I'm going to put it in the bowl. Now we'll garnish it with coriander leaves.
This is our finished stir-fried chicken Dhaba style. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, please do so and hit the bell button so you're notified each and every time we post a new video. And remember to share this video with all of your friends.
Until next time.
Today all three of us are going to do the taste test together. So Pops, feed Mom first and then we'll try it after.
Sure. Let's see what she has to say. Big bite.
Okay, bite number 2. Take some chicken. Okay.
Bite number 3.
The chicken is so soft, especially for chicken breast. This is very soft.
The spices are real nice and gives good flavor.
Bite number 2. Okay. I think she likes it.
Yeah, approved.
Good, right? Good. That's it.
For those of you who don't know what dhaba is, it's Indian style mom and pop restaurant. The reason this recipe is dhaba style because I've used some of the items that dhaba restaurants use. So make sure you try this at your home and let me know how you like it. See you in the next episode.